I hope you all are enjoying this journey we're taking, evaluating logarithms. This video is about the power property, which I really enjoy. I hope you're enjoying yourself so far. For the power property, it actually helps you to deal with smaller numbers than you have to. When you have an exponent in your log, you can actually move that exponent to the front and it becomes multiplication. So for this example, I have log base 3 of 81 squared. I can take that 2 and I can actually just move it to the front of the log. So we have 2 times the log base 3 of 81. So you do not have to do 81 squared. That's going to give you a pretty big number. You don't have to worry about that. So now I just have to evaluate log base 3 of 81, and whatever I get, I can then just multiply by 2 and I'm done. So when I evaluate logs, I like to say that they're equal to x, and then I'm going to find x. I'm going to do this by converting to exponential form. I don't want to bore you too much. I've done this a lot, so hopefully you know what I mean by converting to exponential form. Now I'm doing 3 to what power is equal to 81? So if you don't know that off the top of your head, use a calculator, try to figure it out. That number is 4. 3 to the 4th power is equal to 81. Now remember, don't just circle 4 and say that that's your answer. We have to do 2 times the log. So this is really 2 times 4, which means the answer is 8. Now we'll do another one. Same thing. I've got an exponent. I do not need to do 1/5 to the 3rd power if I don't want to. So what I'm going to do instead is move the 3 to the front because I can do that according to the power property. So now I need to evaluate log base 5 of 1/5, and then at the end I'll multiply by 3. So we need to figure out 5 to what power is equal to 1/5. Because I'm going from whole number to fraction, I know I need to have a negative. So focusing on just the denominator, going from 5 to 5, that would be to the 1st power. But because this has been flipped into a fraction, instead of raising it to a power of 1, I'm raising it to a power of -1. Now remember, this is not my answer because I still have the 3 multiplied in front. So this log is equal to -3.